After 15 years in the timeshare industry, there's one thing salespeople hope you never discover. It's called the today price. You've probably heard it before. This offer is available today. If you leave, you'll lose this special price. You must make a decision before you walk out the door. Here's what many buyers don't realize. In all cases, you can come back the next day, the next week, the next month, and possibly even the next year. Receive a very similar offer. The purpose of the today price isn't always to protect the deal. The purpose is to create urgency. The moment someone tells you that you must spend thousands of dollars right now, that's usually the moment you should slow down and think. The best decisions are really made under pressure.